Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Need to check your Outlook mail from another computer? It's straightforward to do. The most common and simple method involves using a web browser. On the other computer, open any internet browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. In the browser's address bar, type outlook.com and then press enter. This action will direct you to the official Outlook web interface. Look for this Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner, and click on it. You will then be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. This includes your full Outlook email address, which could be an @outlook.com, @hotmail.com, or @live.com address, or even a custom domain linked to your Microsoft account. After typing your email address, click Next. The following screen will ask for your password. Enter your password carefully. Once both your email and password are correct, click Sign In. You will then be granted access to your Outlook inbox, allowing you to view, send, and manage all your emails, calendar appointments, and contacts, just as you would from your primary device. For those with a work or school Outlook account, your organization might have a dedicated webmail portal. If Outlook.com doesn't work, try searching for your company's webmail login or contact your IT department for the direct link. It's crucial to always sign out of your Outlook account when you are finished, particularly if you are using a public computer, like one at a library or hotel, or a shared family computer. This step is vital for protecting your privacy and ensuring the security of your personal information. Also, avoid selecting the Keep Me Signed In option on any device that isn't yours. For enhanced security, consider using a private or incognito browsing window to prevent the browser from saving any session data.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.